Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Christmas video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cartoon reindeer. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our cute little reindeer, I'm going to begin by making the head. So I'm just going to go ahead and trace this nice little circle. I'm just going to begin by tracing the circle. And then we have a nice little head to start off with our reindeer. Now, right about here in the middle, I'm going to begin by making a small circle shape for the nose. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to curve down. And then we'll do one right over here. We're just going to curve over to the side. Right here, I'm going to make a little black dot for an eye, and then I'm going to make another little black dot for an eye right over here. I'm going to make a little line that comes down and curves up, and then same thing here, down and then curves up. And then we're just going to curve around here. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go out and then come back for an ear. And we'll do the same thing over here. We're just going to come up and bring it back in. We're going to do the same thing here and the same thing here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up, and we're just going to curve it down with a hook. We'll do the same thing here, just come up, and then we'll curve it down for a hook, and this is going to start the antlers. We're going to make a little line that's going to curve out, and then down, and same thing here, we're going to curve out, and down. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw 3 small circles, so I'm going to make 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to draw a line down here and a line down here. And then we're going to curve this line here. Starting here, I'm going to bring this line down. Then we're going to bring a line that's going to come down, over, and up for a leg. We'll draw another little line here. And then we're going to make a little line that's going to curve, and then we're going to come down, over, and then we're going to bring it up. Now, starting right here, we're going to bring this line out, and it's just going to curve into here. And then right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go out. We're going to bring it down and then up here. And then we'll put one more leg here. We're just going to go down and over. I want to bring this line out to here and then down. And then let's make a few lines that come right across each leg for the hoof. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that comes down here for the belly, and then we'll make a little line right across here. And there you go, there is your drawing of a cute little reindeer. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.